Welcome. In this video, you will learn exactly how to write an ebook with Canva, how to use Canva to write your book. That is exactly what you'll be learning in this video. I am Abdul Basit Usman. You can call me Basit Idea. I am a graphic designer, also a professional Canva designer. I make money with Canva. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and like this video. So we will be doing what in this video? You will learn exactly how to create your ebook using Canva. If you don't have Canva before, go to your app store or your play store if you are using Android, and go to your app store if you are using iPhone or anywhere you download your apps to go and download Canva. So after downloading Canva, you sign up everything. So if you are new to Canva anyhow, just check my YouTube, just check my videos on YouTube till you see how to use Canva in 2024 or introduction to Canva. Anyhow, I wrote it there. Just go and check it. You see a video on that. So now if you want to create your ebook with Canva, this is how you do it. Though you can use document here to create your ebook, but it is not effective as it is. So the effective one, if you want to create an ebook or if you want to write an ebook with Canva, this is exactly how to do it. Firstly, you click on the plus button as if you want to design. As usual, you click on the plus button. So once this is the plus button here, you click on it. This plus button, you will click on it. So once you click on the plus button, the next thing for you to click on is to click on the custom size. The custom size, you click on it. So after clicking on the custom size, you will then input the size of that ebook you want to design. If the ebook is 5.5 by 8.5 inches, you input it there. If it is 10 by 10 inches, you input it there. So you know we have pixel here. If it is 5,000 by 5,000 pixel, you input it there. So also determine the size of an ebook depends on the size of the ebook cover. So the ebook cover you are using for your ebook, even though the ebook cover does not really determine, it is even the size. You can use any size of your choice. So after designing your ebook cover, you know how to place it on it so that what it will be part of what it will be the first thing they will see once they are reading your ebook. So assuming I want to use inches here, so I cannot use pixels here. So pixels is not really the best once you want to design an ebook, once you want to write your ebook with Canva rather. So you see this arrow here, you will change it to inches instead of it being in pixel here. Now we have pixel here, so you do what, you change it to what, inches, by clicking on this. You click on this one to change it to inches, this. So once you click on this one here, you can see what we have, inches, pixel, millimeter, something like that. So you change it to what? You change it to inches. So after changing it to inches, I have written like 2 books with Canva before. So the size I used was 5.5 by 8.5. So if you want to use the size too, you can also use the size. And if you have any size that is best for you, that is good for you, you can use it. So after inputting your inches, you then click on this width here. This one, you click on it. So once you click on it, you input 5.5 by 8.5 inches. Then after doing that, you then click on create new design. So once you click on create new design, so it will pop out the size of your design. You can see that we have the size of your design now. Now the next thing it will pop out is templates. It will pop out templates. So once you see anything that after inputting your design, after clicking on create new design, once it pop out this one, you can just do what? You can take it away by using this. You take it away by using this. You take it away. You move it down, you drag it down like this to take it away. So you can see we have the first page of our ebook now, and the first page is always for the ebook cover. So after designing your ebook cover, so I will later create a video on how to design an ebook cover later. So the first thing is your ebook cover. So this is exactly where you place your ebook cover. So if you want to create other pages, to input the text for your ebook, this is exactly how you do it. You know what? I said this first page will always be for your ebook cover. So you just go to what? You go to your, if you already have your ebook cover ready, you just go to your gallery. I want to do it step by step how to do it. But if you just have your ebook cover ready, you go to your gallery here, click on your gallery, and go to anywhere the ebook cover is. I think I have an ebook cover. Let me just quickly check, because I have authored a book before, and I was the one who wrote the ebook myself, who designed everything. So let me quickly check if I can see it here easily. So let me click on download here to go and check if it is here. So I think it should be here. So let me quickly check. Please, this thing come easily, please. Oh, service be good, because where I am here, the service is not really good. Yes, it is here. So I think it is not in download, it is in Canva. So let me quickly check. So it should be here. It should be here. It should be here. Yes, definitely. So once, if you don't have your ebook cover ready, you can just skip the first page. So that is it about it. It is not something difficult at all. If you don't have your ebook cover ready, you just go and create other pages to write your ebook. I will show you how to do that. Just let me quickly check it. Assuming this is my ebook cover now, how to page. So assuming this is my ebook cover now, I'll just do what? I'll just input it here. So I'll just do what? I'll just input it here. So if you want to design your ebook cover, I will advise that what you go and check the mock-up you want to use for the ebook cover, that if people are seeing that ebook cover, they will see it as a book, that as a printed book. So the mock-up is the size you go and check. So the size you're using for designing your ebook, for writing your ebook, does not matter for when designing your ebook cover, though it is the mock-up that you want to use for the ebook cover that matters. So assuming you're using this one now, you just shift it till it fits here, because that will be the first thing they will see once people want to read your ebook. The ebook cover will be the first thing they will see. So after you put in your ebook cover, the next thing for you to create is to create other pages for your ebook. There are 3 ways I know that you can use to create many pages in this page that you have. Like to write your ebook, you have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 pages. So this is how you create the pages for your ebook when writing your ebook. So I have like 3 methods that you can use in creating many pages, but I'll just show you one method. So what you do is what you click on these 3 dots on top here. This 3 dot here, you click on it. You can see the 3 dot on top. Look at the top here. So beside the download icon, you click on it. So once you click on the 3 dot, the next thing for you to click on is to click on what? View all pages. So you click on what? You click on view all pages. This is view all pages here. You click on it. So once you click on view all pages, the next thing for you to click on is to click on what? This plus icon. This plus icon, you will click on it. So you just keep up clicking on the plus icon. Once you click on it, the second page has been created. Click on it again, the third page has been created. Click on it again, the 4th page has been created. So that is how you keep up clicking on the plus icon till it get to the last page you want it to be. So after clicking on it like that, you just tap the one you want to be on, the page you want to be on, to write something there or anything. Assuming I want to be on this my ebook cover page now, I'll just tap on it twice. That is all. It will take me back to my page. So I can just do what? I can just drag it like drag this place to move to another page. I'll just drag it like this to move to another page. I can even use this side to create another page again. Now we have 4 pages already. If I want to create the 5th page, I'll just drag it very right till it create another page for me. So that is it. Instead of you even clicking on this 3 icon, you can just be dragging it like this, dragging it to the horizontally to the left side till you create another pages, till you be on another pages. So after adding your ebook cover, the next thing you want to do is maybe adding dedication, acknowledgement, introduction to the ebook, something like that. So you can just do what? You can just input the text here. So if you want to go through the text, so how to input text in your ebook is what you click on this text here. So once you click on the text, you can just click on add a heading. add a heading because you want to add a heading. So once you are inputting your text, like the main content of the ebook, you can just be using the add subheading. And if you want to keep up using add a heading, you can just keep up using it. So you just do what? You add a heading by clicking on this one. So once you click on this one, you just input your text, maybe acknowledgement. Maybe you want to write acknowledgement. You just create acknowledgement. You can see how simple I created it. Very simple to create. So you just click on what? Acknowledgement. If you want to reduce the size, you just click on this dot here and use it to reduce it. So till you reduce it, you just be using this one to drag it to wherever you want to drag it to. So you just be using it to drag it to wherever you want to drag it to. If you want to change the font, this one is the default font. So if you want to change your font, you just click on this font here. As far you click on the acknowledgement, so you firstly click on the acknowledgement. After clicking on it, you now click on this font here to add, to change the font. Maybe you want to change it to Archivo Black, maybe you want to change it to Luckiest Guy, anything you want to change it to. So you just be clicking on it till you change it to any font you want to change it to. So after doing that, so the next thing for you to do is to input your main text. So assuming you want to input your main text, you still click on this one to do that, or click on this one, duplicate it, click on this one here, duplicate it and create it. So anyhow you want to do it. So after maybe you want to input your text now, you just click on what? You will click on this text here. So this text, you can just click on it again and input the text. Maybe all thanks to my dad, or thanks to my dad, my mom, my sister, everything like that. So that is it. So if you want to, you can just you just be using this one to reduce the size. Once you want to reduce the size, you can be using this one, or go or scroll till you get what? Font size here. Once you get to font size here, you just click on it and reduce the size to any of your choices. So if you want to change what? The alignment of the text, you just go here to change it. So once you click on what? Once you click on the text. So once you click on the text, you then scroll till you get what? Till you get to format here. So this is how you do it. You scroll like this till you get to this format. So this is the format that you have here. This is the format. So once you click on the format, you can do what? You can now change the alignment of the text. Maybe to what? To left alignment, right alignment, or middle alignment. Anyhow you want. Like this, or like this. So anyhow you want to do it, you just do it like that. Place it anywhere you want to place it. So creating more pages. If you want to input your chapter, maybe chapter 1, you click on the text again to do that. So once you click on the text, you just input it. Click on what? Chapter 1. So that is how you do it. So this is what? Chapter 1. You just place it here so you can see that what? It is ready. So after clicking on chapter 1, so the next thing for you to do is to input the number of pages. So how do you do that? It is very easy to do. What you do is that what? You click on this chapter here. This is the trick you will use. So after, and how to input many other chapters too, you click on what? You click on this chapter here. So once you click on the chapter, you duplicate it or click on text, any of your choice. So maybe you are clicking on text again now, you just click on text. So after clicking on text, you click on what? Add a heading. So after clicking on add a heading, you then click on what? Maybe number 1, page 1. Maybe this is page 1 now. You reduce the size a little bit and place it at the bottom here. So you now go to position. You scroll here till you get to position. So once you get to position, you click on position. So once you click on position, you then click on what? Align here. So once you click on align, you then click on what? Center to centralize the number 1 that you click the page 1. So once you click on page 1, so the 1 is what? Is ready. So if you now want to keep up inputting the pages, inputting page 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 without going through stress, this is exactly what you do. Firstly, you click on what? This 3 dot here. This 3 dot, as I've said earlier before, when you want to create your pages. So once you click on the 3 dot, you then click on what? View all pages. You click on view all pages. So once you click on view all pages, it will now pop here. So the next thing you do, now this is 1 year already. So you will now duplicate this one. you duplicate it. If you want to duplicate page 1, you click on this duplicate here. You firstly click on that page 1, you then click on this duplicate here. Once you click on duplicate, it will be duplicated. After duplicating it, you now tap the one that has been duplicated. You tap it twice to get you to the page. So once you get to the page, you now click on it. You now click on this one here. So once this is page 1 firstly. Now you can now scroll to page 1 again. So you now click on it and click on what? Edit here. This is edit here. You click on edit. So once you click on edit, you now change this one to what? 2. You can see page 2 has been created. So that is how you'll be doing it, that you'll be inputting other pages. You'll be clicking on the 3 dots, click on what? View all pages, and what? Page 2, right? Duplicate it. Or you can even duplicate only page 1. Duplicate it like 15 times till the page 1 end. So you can just keep up duplicating it till. So once you now click on it, once you get to this place, you just, before writing anything here, you firstly go and change what? The number to what? The next number that should be there. So you then click on this one to change it to the next number that should be here before what? Inputting your text. So after doing that, if you now after page, we have chapter 1 first. Instead of you still clicking on what? Typing from scratch to click on what? To type chapter 2, you can just do what? You can just click on this 3 dots here. So once you want to do your chapter 2, and then what? And then click on what? View all pages here. View all pages. So once you click on view all pages, assuming chapter 2 is starting at beside this plus button now, this is what you will do. We have many chapter 1 here. You then do what? You then pick this one. You tap on it for long. So once you tap on it for long, you then take it down here. You take it down till beside the plus button. You can see it is beside the plus button. You now click on it twice. Once you click on it twice, you now change it to what? You now click on what? Edit here and change it to what? 2, the one only. You click on it so that it won't delete what it highlighted, and click on what? 2, and what? Your page 2 is ready. So if you want to add images to this, maybe it is necessary you add image to explain some of your information that you are inputting in this book, some of your pieces of information you are inputting in this book. You then click on what? This element here to go and pick the images you want if you don't have the images ready for you. So once you click on the element, it will pop out this for you. You then click on the search bar here to input the element. So maybe you want to search for baby now. You then search for baby, click on it, which will pop out what? Baby for you, anything, everything like that. So if you already have the image you want to input in one of the pages of your ebook, you then click on what? You click on what? Gallery here. This gallery here, you click on it. So once you click on gallery, you go to anywhere the ebook is. You take this one to get to anywhere the ebook is, instead of using recent, and you can use recent to get everything. So that is exactly how you can do that. So I think I have said the most important thing that you need to know if you want to, that you need when creating your ebook or when writing your ebook. The next thing I will be mentioning before ending this video is what is the downloading, how to download your ebook. So once you are done writing everything you want to write, you are done writing. So when writing your ebook, firstly, let me firstly say this. Assuming you input some text down, hi, I'm Abdul Basit to Smile. I'm Abdul Basit to Smile. Hi, I'm a graphic designer. Everything. So after doing like that, so after reducing the size now, assuming now reduce the size, it is the default is to be at center. So when writing an ebook, it is best for it to be at left alignment, like how you write English language. So you don't go what? You scroll. Once you click on this text now, this place you scroll. You'll be scrolling till you get to format here. So once you get to this format here, you then click on format to change it to left alignment using this one. So once you click on this one here, it will change to left alignment, and what? It is ready. You can see now it is now ready like that. So if you now want to save your ebook, you have done everything. You have done writing your ebook, everything. You've done everything. I've said how to create your ebook, everything. You've written everything, that's all the pieces of information that should be there in your ebook, how to now download it as a PDF for people to be sending to people for them to be reading is what you click on this download icon here. This download icon. Please don't click on the other one. No, you must click on this one. This is the one you must click on, this download icon. So once you click on this download icon, the next thing for you to do is to click on what? To click on this download. So once you click on this download here, the next thing for you to do, you know what? We have PNG here. We have PNG, the file type. The next thing for you to look at is the file type. We will definitely have PNG here because we click on the plus button to create this ebook. So once we have PNG here, this is not document site. So what you will then do is what? You will click on this arrow here. So once you click on the arrow, you will then click on what? PDF standard here, best for document. I don't know, get it. You then click on what? PDF standard. So once you click on the PDF standard, it will change to that. So after clicking on the PDF standard, the next thing it will pop it out here. So you must click on it to pop it out here. So after that, you then click on what? Download here. So you then do what? Download the ebook. So it is downloading already. So after downloading it, you will now go to your file in your phone file, to go and check the ebook. So, and you see it there as a PDF. So you have got your design. It is ready. So what? I then do what? I'll then go to my file here. This is my file, my phone file manager. I will go there and it will pop it out for me. I then click on download here. So it will do what? It will pop it out for me as a PDF. So let us wait and see. So you can see now, I'll click on it here. This is because I have WPS in my, so you can see now it is as a PDF. You can see now the ebook cover will be the first thing they will see. Then you will be scrolling, acknowledgement. You can see chapter one. You can see that is exactly how they will be reading your ebook. Now it is time to design.